Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Here is today's kanji. It is read mu or roku in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means 6. It has 4 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like roku. On its own, it is usually mu. A dot sitting on a little table with legs. A number on a stand. Now let's write it. 4 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen in order slowly. Let's see it in real words. Rokugatsu, rokugatsu means June. Muttsu, muttsu means 6 things. And rokuji, rokuji means 6 o'clock. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Dai, read dai, big. Ana, read ana, whole. Notice the small differences. So that's look 6. 4 strokes. Read mu or roku. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.